Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Always apply the base coat before your nail color so it will secure your nails. Here I have done my nail art on my thumbnail. I'm going to do on my other fingers. So let's see. I'm going to apply the white base coat. Now I'm going to use this glue polish. It is very easy nail art for beginners. And about a white top coat, I want to say something. I have applied the 2 coats of white coat. Now I am going to use the juice polish. The shade number is 101. You can use any other color. Now I'm going to use this black polish. You can skip this step, but it looks very pretty when you use the black polish. So I have used it. Yeah, this is my finished look. Girls, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye guys.